When you're looking for repairs on your home, you want people you can trust. RCV Roofing and Seamless Gutter in Bloomington, Indiana is an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred Contractor, our top tier contractor. We select Platinum Preferred contractors based on their commitment to service, reliability, and workmanship.
Before starting RCV Roofing, I saw customer service was lacking in the local construction industry. Therefore, I founded this business with simple practices to provide a great product with service that every customer deserves. I will treat your home as if it were my own. When you use RCV Roofing, you can rest assured that our commitment to quality and passion for customer service is of the highest importance. I also take pride that we are an education-based company. We do not have sales guys or door knockers. We will not sell to our clients, but rather educate them and decide what products work best for them.
RCV Roofing is an award-winning contractor. They were the recipient of the distinguished Owens Corning Bright Star Award in recognition of remarkable business growth, reflecting high-quality workmanship practice, providing an extraordinary experience for the homeowner.
Purchasing a new roof is one of the most important decisions you will make as a homeowner. So choose the right contractor for the job the very first time. When you choose RCV Roofing and Seamless Gutters, we make the following promises to you. We will be respectful, thoughtful, and courteous to both you and your home. We will provide professional service in a timely manner. We will provide you with superior workmanship that we would expect on our own home. We will be informative and knowledgeable to you in all aspects of the process. We will help you select the best roof possible for your specific needs and budget. Thousands in the community have entrusted us with our roofing and gutter services and projects. It would be an honor to do the same for you.